Tammy Slaton, the breakout star of 1000 LB Sisters, is once again winning hearts, not just for her incredible transformation but also for her growing romance with girlfriend Andrea. In a sweet and somewhat unexpected turn of events, Tammy took to TikTok to drop a heartfelt message for Andrea that has fans swooning. The clip, though short, spoke volumes about their connection and sent shockwaves across the fandom. Tammy's personal journey has been full of obstacles, both physical and emotional, but her message to Andrea shows a woman embracing love, joy, and unapologetic authenticity. And it's a side of Tammy we haven't seen this deeply before. The TikTok video in question begins with a simple caption that reads, "When she walks into the room and your heart skips a beat." It cuts to Tammy sitting comfortably on her couch, wearing a soft pastel hoodie and a sweet, bashful smile. Background music plays, subtle, romantic, and warm, as Tammy lip-syncs to an audio clip that says, "I'm so lucky to have you." Although it might sound like a simple gesture, fans who have followed Tammy's journey from day one know how powerful this moment truly is. She's a woman who's endured public scrutiny, a series of devastating relationships, and personal trauma. Yet here she is, sending love out into the world, without shame, fear, or filters. Immediately after the video was posted, fans flooded the comment section with support. "Tammy deserves the world," one fan wrote. "I've never seen her this happy before," another added. But perhaps the most touching comment came from Andrea herself, who responded with a string of red heart emojis and the words, "You make me feel seen every day." That comment alone confirmed what many had hoped. This relationship is real, deep, and strong. It's not just for the cameras or social media likes. Tammy and Andrea have been building something meaningful, and fans are here for it. It wasn't long ago that Tammy was at her lowest point. Battling life-threatening obesity, addiction, mental health struggles, and strained family dynamics, she often seemed trapped in a cycle of defeat. Her road to recovery was grueling. She fought hard, entering rehab, undergoing weight loss surgery, confronting painful truths about her relationships, and taking accountability for her actions. All of that hard work is now reflected not just in her physical transformation, but in her emotional openness. The Tammy Slaton of today is someone who radiates strength, resilience, and an eagerness to love and be loved. Tammy met Andrea shortly after her recovery journey began gaining momentum. Andrea, a confident, tattooed woman with a down-to-earth attitude and kind eyes, seemed to appear at the right time. The pair were first spotted together in a candid fan photo, which quickly sparked dating rumors. At first, both remained silent about the nature of their bond. But as time went on, they grew more comfortable sharing their affection in subtle social media hints, smiles, inside jokes, matching bracelets, and now this TikTok love letter. Their relationship represents more than just companionship, it symbolizes Tammy's full circle moment. After years of toxic relationships, including the rocky and painful marriage to Caleb Willingham, Tammy appears to have found someone who genuinely respects her, uplifts her, and brings peace to her life. Andrea seems to understand Tammy beyond the surface. She sees the woman behind the headlines, the laughter behind the trauma, and the heart behind the hurt. And the TikTok video Tammy posted this week solidifies that she finally feels safe enough to be vulnerable again. For longtime fans of 1000 LB Sisters, this development is emotional. We've watched Tammy cry, rage, spiral, and self-destruct. But we've also watched her fight to live, push through surgeries, rediscover self-worth, and slowly open her heart to love again. Tammy's message to Andrea wasn't scripted or overproduced. It was raw, quiet, and full of meaning. It reflected growth, and it showed just how far she has come from the woman who once said she didn't believe she was worthy of love. As the TikTok video continues to make waves online, speculations have started brewing. Is Tammy gearing up to introduce Andrea more formally on the show? Will Season 8 feature their relationship in a deeper storyline? According to sources close to production, Tammy's relationship with Andrea will likely be a central focus moving forward. Viewers are eager to see how their bond evolves, and how it affects Tammy's dynamic with her family. Amy, Mishti, and Chris have reportedly met Andrea and, based on behind-the-scenes chatter, the reception was positive. Andrea seems to be someone who doesn't chase the limelight. She's rarely in the spotlight herself but shows up consistently for Tammy behind the scenes. This adds even more charm to their relationship. There's a sincerity to the way they interact. It's not performative, it's rooted in trust and friendship, two things Tammy desperately needed. And Andrea's response to the TikTok, sweet, simple, and personal, proves that she's not here for the fame or attention. She's here for Tammy. Social media, of course, has been ablaze with fan reactions. Twitter threads, Reddit discussions, and Instagram fan pages have all picked up on the video, analyzing every detail. Some fans are hopeful this relationship will be the one that brings Tammy the stability she's been craving. Others are more cautious, knowing how quickly things can shift. But nearly everyone agrees, Tammy looks happier, healthier, and more in love than ever before. The timing of this TikTok message couldn't be better. With a new season in the works and viewer invested in Tammy's journey more than ever, the glimpse into her personal life adds a fresh and heartfelt angle to the narrative. It's no longer just about weight loss or family fights, it's about healing, growth, and finding love in unexpected places. Tammy's fanbase has always been fiercely loyal, despite her many ups and downs. They've rooted for her to succeed, even when she couldn't root for herself. And now, they get to witness a chapter many feared she'd never reach, a chapter filled with calm, companionship, and emotional balance. Her message to Andrea isn't just a romantic gesture, it's a declaration of hope. A way of saying, I made it through the storm, and you were my rainbow. Of course, Tammy being Tammy, there was also a touch of humor. In a follow-up TikTok, she playfully teased Andrea, using a goofy audio clip with the caption, "When your girl eats the last slice of pizza but you still love her anyway." It's this balance of affection and humor that makes their relationship feel real and relatable. It's not filtered perfection, it's messy, funny, sweet, and full of personality. Looking ahead, it'll be interesting to see how Tammy and Andrea navigate public attention. Fame has not always been kind to Tammy, and public scrutiny can put strain on even the strongest of relationships. But if their recent interactions are any indication, they seem ready to face whatever comes next, together. For now, Tammy's message stands as one of her most tender social media moments. It's a clear signal that she's embracing this new version of herself with open arms and an open heart. The woman who once shut herself off from love is now declaring it to the world. And that's a victory worth celebrating. As TikTok continues to be Tammy's favorite platform for self-expression, fans can likely expect more glimpses into her love life. Whether it's a goofy video with Andrea, a romantic lip sync, or a heart-to-heart message, Tammy is clearly comfortable letting us in. And after everything she's survived, that vulnerability is her greatest strength. In an era where reality stars often chase fame with dramatic antics and staged moments, Tammy's simple, sincere TikTok hit differently. It wasn't loud, it wasn't dramatic, but it was powerful, because it was real. And for Tammy Slaton, that's the most beautiful part of her transformation. If this love continues to blossom, it may very well redefine the next chapter of 1000 LB Sisters. From health battles to heartbreak, Tammy has walked through fire. But this time, she's walking hand in hand with someone who makes her smile. And in the world of reality TV, that might just be the most dramatic plot twist of all. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.